boys and girls? Welcome to Going Guitar. Iam Tongi. He's been with us many times here in Going Guitar. This popular singer-songwriter, and he does this song "Unbreak My Heart." A very nice song there. Easy, calm tempo. We have three different chords, and they just roll with a corporation of the same through the entire song. Let's go into this one without any capo, and I'm using my blue-colored Celebrity Ovation guitar. I really love this guitar. Very easy to play, and yeah, let's go into it. Now we have the chords, and they come in the same way, like I said, through the entire song. We're gonna start with the C G chord, and that goes third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be the F major 7, and we're gonna go with the full spectrum of it. Many times we use the shorter version, but this is the full chord. So it starts with a bar on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, second on D, and second on G. Alright, there are reasons for having this chord. We're gonna come to that soon. Then finally we have the A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, so the chord progression first goes C G to the F major to A minor and back to F major. And some tricks here to make that switches as easy as possible, all these chords. And then you can think like this. From the C G chord, you have this grip. One thing to focus on here in this song is to keep that second fret D string there always, because it follows for all of these chords. The C G has it, the F major 7 has it, and the A minor has it. So what I think to not release is this second fret D string that sticks there throughout the song. All right, that's the first thing. And the second thing you can think of is to go from the C G chord to the F major could be a little bit tricky. All right, so what I do here, I keep my, like I said, second fret D string there, but I'll also keep my ring finger, my little pinky, not my ring finger, my little pinky on the third fret A string from this transition, C G to the F major. So that means these two fingers are glued there, and I go with my ring finger beneath my mid finger, and I place the bar on the first fret. So that, you can see, is like a cool transformation from these two chords. All right, so that's what I think. And then again, keep that second fret D string to have the A minor, and then back to the F like this. So that's how I go through the chords. Now let's focus on the melody as well. So you have this melody going on actually. So it goes, and then for A minor, and back to F. So you have that second fret D string again on that melody route. So whatever you're gonna play, you play the bass note of that chord. So the C G, you have the third fret E string, and then you play second D and back to the bass again, third E. And next chord will be the F. So you're gonna play that first fret E string now as the new bass, and then you alternate that with the second D and back to the bass note. And the same principle for the A minor. You have the open A as a bass note, and then that second D and back to open A, and then F again. And that's how the melody goes. So that's the melody. Now into the main thing, which is the strumming. And you can just neglect these melody notes for now. I can show you here how to incorporate them into the strumming. But you're gonna play down, 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 up. So for C G, it goes like this. So it's down, 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 and then down, down, up. One of these per chord, it sounds like this with the chord progression. and so on. Sorry for my bad sounding right there. I slipped one finger. Anyway, I think you understand. And now you can also incorporate the melodies here. So the first 3 downs is the first 3 notes. So down, down, down. If that makes sense. So down, 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 down. And you just roll that from the beginning till the very end. A lot of extra details here with the notes, how to switch the chords, could be a little tricky. Just focus on the basics first. Learn to switch the chords first, and then you can try to learn the strumming pattern just clean without the notes. And then finally, when you're comfortable with that, go into the notes and try to get them. And you just play from the beginning till the end with Iam Tongi's Unbreak My Heart. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.